Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the brightness of your LG television as well as adjusting some of the colors. So it's very straightforward. All we need to do is grab our television remote and you just need to press down on the home button. So this will bring up the LG home screen, and then from here we're just going to use the directional arrows to come over to the top menu. Now when you're inside of this top menu, we just need to scroll across to this settings icon and hit OK, and then give this a couple of seconds to load up the settings. You can also get to this menu just by coming over to your remote and hitting the settings icon like so, and this will bring up this menu directly. So once you're inside of this menu, we just need to scroll all the way down to all settings, and then right at the top here you'll see this option for picture. So I'm just going to use the right arrow key to come over to this picture mode, and then we're going to scroll down to advanced settings and press OK. Now inside of here, this is where we adjust all of our TV brightness and color settings. So as you can see at the very top here, we've got brightness. So if I come into here, we can play around with all of the settings in here, like the contrast and the black level and the dynamic contrast. And you'll just need to play around with these settings to find what works best for you. And then I'm going to come back one menu here. And we can also do the same for color. You have things like color depth and tint. And then if we come back again, we also have clarity at the bottom here, which is super important for things like sharpness. If you're getting grainy picture, then you can adjust some of the settings inside of here. And lastly, when we finished, if we just come back, if you want to apply these settings to all of your inputs, so for example, if you're currently on HDMI 1, then all of your settings will be automatically applied to that. But if you want to go ahead and just apply this to all of your inputs like HDMI 1, 2, and 3, then you can come down here and just select apply to all inputs. If you ever want to reset to your default values, then you could just come over to this reset button here, and this is going to reset all of your brightness and color and things like that. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you adjust your brightness on your LG Smart TV. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.